Hey everybody, Roland Smith here with Mountain Bushcrafters Alliance. Want to apologize for Sad Song Sunday yesterday. For the past 2 or 3 weeks, my blood pressure has been through the roof. I took some medication and got in the bed. Got to get my blood pressure under control. I have to. Nevertheless, here's some footage from yesterday. I hope you'll enjoy. Thanks for watching. See him right there? First bob. First bob. Boy, it's a pretty one too. Look at that. Front paw catch. That's a reset right there. Yeah, he's not happy. He's not happy at all. Not a big one, but still a bob. Stay with me. See him get a little bit closer. Yeah, not happy at all. He got a good catch in that MB 550. Yeah. Stick around. Well, today's not a total loss. Coyote number 2. A little one. MB 550, chicken egg, a little feather, and some hellfire. Do a reset. Get this fella took care of. May have something over there too, I don't know. We'll go find out. Stay with me. Coyote, number 2 for the season. Fur's moving a little bit, but I don't know, he's got that place 12 pieces. I was hoping to get another bob or 2 up here. I know there's 1 or 2 up here. Maybe more. We shall see. That was a good set. I'll do a remake. I got one I got to freshen up, and I'm going to go out there and check this one. Stay with me. The moment you get a ricochet. God dang, that was hot. I mean, that was hot. Yeah, it's a good one. Took a chunk out. A little tough, though. Stay with me. If it don't get away, biggest one I believe to date. That's a big bob right there, buddy. Bobcat number 2. Man, that's a pretty one. I don't know how good I've got him caught, but I hope he's caught good. Yeah, he's caught good. He ain't going nowhere. That's a big bobcat right there, buddy. That's a big Kentucky bob right there, buddy. Gosh dang, that's a big one. pretty one, buddy. Stay with me. We got a bunch more traps to check out here. This is bobcat number 2 for the season. Today was number 2 on the coyotes. One big old fat raccoon and a rabbit and a possum. They start to move now. I believe that's the biggest cat I've caught yet, I believe. Caught him in a bridger. Had a chicken wing and a bit of beaver tail oil my old buddy Kentucky Trapper gave me. Let's get out of here. Do a reset.